T-bar row. If you have a small back, it's probably because you have been ignoring the T-bar row. Big mistake. T-bar row are perhaps the best exercise you can perform to add mass and strength to your entire back. Many exercises tend to be either better for strength or hypertrophy. For whatever reason, T-bar row really lie in the middle and can be used effectively for both. It's great for building strength as you can safely load a lot of weight and perform reps with good form. This is due to it being on the pivot, which tends to be just enough help to make this possible. Reverse grip seated cable row. Reverse grip seated cable row is a back exercise which works the latissimus dorsi, trapezius, rhomboids and erector spinae muscles which make up the upper posterior chain. Now training with cables is very beneficial for keeping tension on the muscle, which is optimal for muscle growth and strength, but any form a row is one of the best variation of a back exercise you can do as it works all the muscles pretty much equally. Lat pull down. The lat pull down is a compound exercise that primarily targets the latissimus dorsi muscle. Lat pull down is one of the most common exercises for strengthening the back and shoulders. It's a staple for strength training as well as an effective way to build muscle mass in the upper body. It primarily targets the latissimus dorsi muscle. However, its benefits go beyond just activating the latissimus dorsi. Single arm dumbbell row. The single arm dumbbell row, also known as the one arm dumbbell row or lawn movers, is a unilateral isotonic exercise which isolates the back and focuses on core stabilization. Unilateral movements can help build more strength in specific muscular group, supporting improvements in muscular imbalances, weakness and improving focus and activation. The single arm dumbbell row is a great addition to your back training split, helping improve definition, strength and size. High machine row. The machine high row or hammer strength row targets the back and all of its associated muscles. Additionally, the biceps and forearms are heavily activated since they are secondary pullers during the movement. Also, the high row is a compound movement which is very effective for muscle and strength gains. Pull-up. The pull-up primarily targets the latissimus dorsi lats, which is the large back muscle behind your arms, but it also works most of your chest, upper back and shoulder muscle. Your abs are involved in stabilizing you as well. Strengthening your upper body will help you everyday tasks and in achieving good posture. If you can perform perfect pull-up, add a challenge by attaching a weight to a weight belt while doing them or perform them while wearing a weighted vest.